This is Elafonissi beach, southwest of Crete, and this is one of the nicest beach in Europe.
Take a look.
On the spectacular road from Chania to Elafonissi, one of Crete's most popular routes, travelers pass through a narrow, hand-carved tunnel that hangs above the impressive Topolia Gorge. The tunnel is single-lane, unlit, 110 meters long and 4 meters wide. With traffic lights at both ends regulating car flow, this section can get quite busy, so prepare to slow down and take in the rugged beauty of the landscape around you.
Okay, we are here at the famous beach Elafonissi in southwest of Crete. I've been in before in 2018. It's a nice sandy beach. The sand is almost like pink. We paid €20 to sunbed, one umbrella, €20, not too bad. I don't know if you can see the pink sand here.
Another beautiful day. Another beautiful area.
And there's a lagoon over there. A nice plantain cliff over there, nice view. This is Crete. Beautiful island. Yeah, it is the biggest island in Greece.
Weather is perfect.
How's the water? Not too cold? It's almost like a lagoon. But there is a lagoon over there, like a big pool, like in a circle. This is the pink sand. I don't know if you can see. There's some red grain in the brown.
Elafonissi Beach in Crete, Greece, is famous for its distinctive pink sand, which gets its color from crushed seashells and microorganisms. The beach is a protected nature reserve with stunning turquoise, shallow waters, and is connected to a small island by a walkable, shallow lagoon.
Crete is the one that's the best island in Greece.
Visitors can enjoy the calm waters, find secluded spots, or experience the organized areas with sunbeds and snack bars.
Lots of people today. It's Saturday, so I suggest you come here early on the weekend. I'm on my way to the next lagoon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.